So I got this cell phone case from the company for this video, and this is a really cool iPhone 17 Pro Max cell phone case. It's good for drops greater than 10 feet, MagSafe compatible, and it's also clear, so that way you can still get the authentic colors that come with the iPhone. It's a nice feel along the sides. It does have the raised buttons along here, and there's a pretty cool feature with this too. It comes with these little covers that you can put onto the case, so that way you can add your own kind of color or accents to it. So with the case itself, you literally just slide it right on and it pops right on. It's not bulky, and it's a thin case that does give you protection. It helps to make it dust resistant and water resistant, saving you money from repairing your phone if you do drop this. You do have the spot here for the camera, so you can still press that button and it's going to open up your camera. In addition to that, it also has these little buttons here that can be replaced with the buttons that come on the cell phone cover. If I wanted to, I could replace the action button with this one right here, and you'll just pop the old one out, pop the button that they give you right inside the case here. It's grooved, so that way it will just adhere to the inside of the case. Just by pushing down, it will go right in there. So now when I go ahead to use my cell phone, I'll have this different color here, or this accent color. So that's great if someone has difficulties using a cell phone and they don't know what button to press to turn it on and off. You can change it to whatever color will indicate to you to turn off the phone, to turn on the phone, to use the volume button. You can change each one, and you've got a bright red and a bright yellow. The bright red would actually help grab someone's attention a little bit more. And you've got multiples of each one here that come with it. As a therapist, I do have to say I love the fact that you have all the different colors here for the buttons, because it makes the cell phone so much more accessible. The ability to know that the red button here along the side is going to turn on and turn off the phone, or unlock and lock the phone. The yellow buttons here can be used to turn up and down the sound, or whatever combination that you want. This makes it easier for people that can't remember what button does what, so you can assign the color. And it's also beneficial for people that have visual difficulties, because the red and the yellow will be easier to pick up. So I would highly recommend this case. Not only does it save your cell phone from being damaged if it falls, but it also makes it more accessible by having different colors for the buttons. So I would definitely recommend this. I would say check this out.